Hello, 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 fart faces. It's me, Bevbee. Today we have an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's going to be a round diamond painting, and it is Moon Glow by Lynn. It measures 47 by 66 centimeters, and I'm really excited about this one. I just finished Angie and Oliver, and this is an older kit, so it's not a new release or anything like that. So let's get into unboxing it. But before we do, please take note of my beautiful nails. I can tell you my nail tech's name if you want her to go to her. But if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. That's a lot of videos. Let's open up this diamond painting kit. This, as I said earlier, is an older kit, but I wanted to share it with you guys anyway, because maybe this hasn't been on your radar. Maybe you're thinking about getting her, and this will enable you to get her. Either way, I might be working on this next, so I wanted to share it with you guys before I start working on it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ooh, so fancy. And there is toolkit. Is there another label? Nope. There is a small little label that you get with each Diamond Art Club. You can put it in your logbook. You can put it wherever you want. For me, I'm going to rip it off right now, and I'm going to put it on my box. Let's stick this to my box. Here we go. And then you also get this. This is actually a sticker. So what you do, this is an older kit, so they're not actually pre-cut. On the newer kits, they are pre-cut, but what you can do is cut out the labels here and put them on your plastic containers. So again, Moon Glow, it's round with ABs, so it looks like there's going to be 2 ABs, 138 and 141, and it measures 47 by 66 centimeters. Isn't she adorable? She's so cute. I can't wait to see the ABs. With Diamond Art Club, you get a kit. If you can see through this bag, it comes with a pen, some baggies, a diamond painting tray, a squishy, and then there's going to be 2 little hearts of pink wax for you. It comes in a bag, and if you can hear my cat meowing, he's just saying hello. Just kidding. He's trying to meow to get outside. Here are our drills, which we will look at afterwards. Not a big giant kit or anything like that. Oh, instructions on how to diamond paint. There's also a code in there for to save 10% off your next purchase. So it's not a giant kit by any means. It still is pretty large, and if you're used to doing smaller diamond paintings, this may be giant to you. I just really love the colors, and I love her face. So here is Moon Glow. So she's kind of wrinkly and there is glare, but hopefully you can see her. Isn't she beautiful? She's just divine. Divine. I love her little wings. Is she a fairy? I think she's a fairy. So here is the schematic. Everything looks clear to me. And it's going to be 36 colors. That's really pretty. I love the glow of the moon. Let's look at the drill area. So look how colorful that's going to be. Drill area is clear, as usual with Diamond Art Club. And then you have the 310 symbol that outlines her entire self. So what I like to do when I do Lynns, this is my only second Lynn, so I don't want to sound like a pro or anything. But when I did my Lynn, I really like just doing the blacks first. Like in a little section, I would section it off, do the blacks in that section, and then fill it in, and it felt like I was coloring. It was a lot of fun doing Angie and Oliver, so I'm really excited to start doing this one. So now let's take a look at the drills, and then we'll look at where the ABs go. Here are our drills. I'm not going to pull all of them out because trying to get them back in this bag is going to be a pain in the butt if I don't end up actually working on this one next. So, look for those ABs. As you can see, there's a ton of black. So a ton of 310. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3. Well, it's not too bad. There's only 3 bags of 310, 4 bags of 310. So we'll look for those ABs. Right away I can spot one, 138. As you can see, it's blue and it has just like that nice iridescent glow to it, or like iridescent cover, whatever you want to say. Iridescent layer, sure. And we'll look for the other AB. I'm not seeing it. Oh, and the other AB is right next to that one. I'm blind apparently. So you can see it's white and it has that same pearlescent, iridescent, whatever you want to call it, layer, cover, whatever. So those are the ABs. And here's another look at the colors again. So there are, I really like the colors. I think this one will be really pretty. So we'll take a look and see where those ABs go. Back to our canvas. So here's our canvas. So the ABs are symbols 1 and 2. So there's, let's see, there's ones in her eye, one's all in her hair. So that blue, this blue you see in her hair is all gonna be AB. And then twos, there's twos. Oh, okay, so there's, in these little sparkly bits in the background, those are going to be twos, so those are going to be those white ABs. And yeah, so basically the ones are sprinkled all throughout her hair and in the little wings down here as well. I think this one will be so fun. There's not a lot of confetti. It's more like color blocking confetti where there's a whole bunch in a little area, but no, not a ton of like serious annoying confetti or anything like that, which is right up my alley because I love color blocking, but I like a little mixture of confetti as well. And I think this one will work up really nicely, and I like the size, and she's really pretty. I love Hannah Lynn's artwork. They're just gorgeous. The girls are always gorgeous. So yeah, that is Hannah Lynn's Moon Glow. What do you guys think about it? Do you have this in your stash? Do you want this in your stash? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Just a quick little unboxing. If you're new here, I'd love it if you join the hive and hit the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!